If you want to create a mockup on your mobile phone using Pixellab, go to Pinterest. This is Pinterest, and as you can see, there are a lot of mockups here. Just search for truck mockup, and you have a lot of image. So I'm downloading this one now. Download it. Once you download your image, you go to Pixellab. Go to your Pixellab. So once you open Pixellab, cancel the formatting you are doing. Now start afresh. Delete this text, go to the part for importing background. So you choose from gallery and then select that image you want to use. To increase the quality of your image, you click on this place and then you click on brightness. You reduce the brightness a little, and the contrast you increase it a little. Now let's bring in the design you want to mock up on it. So let me just pick one of the design I've done on Pixellab, and then we move from there. Okay, let me click this one. Let's use this one. Now after importing the image, just bring it to the size you want it to be, and then this is in another dimension. It doesn't face the front part of your design, so it is slant. Now go to perspective tool in your Pixellab. Here is the perspective tool here. So once you select perspective tool, you can now zoom in a little just to see what you are doing. Zoom in a little using the zoom option at the top here. So now click activate. Let's move it to the edges. You move it to the edge, the exact part it should be. Then the other side. So once you move it to the edges very well, make sure it is well placed. Once you move it to the edges, you can then zoom back to the normal size, and then you check what you've done. So now this is what you have. It is so cool. If it is needing adjustment, just adjust, and that is all.
Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button.